Hello students, good morning and Jai Hind to everyone. Today we are going to be start the chapter number 15, that is some natural phenomenon. Okay, so this is the chapter we have to be learn about some natural phenomenon, and this is very important to us because we have learned about why the lightning effect has arrived in our atmosphere. So in this chapter, so what we have to be learn, so lightning and static electricity. So what is lightning? Heavy electrical discharges taking place between high rise building and trees, etc., and also charged cloud, it will interaction between positive charge cloud, negative charge clouds. So lightning discharges between heavy electric discharge taking place between high rise building, all these things, so it will also known as lightning. Okay, so what is charged body? The body which possesses electrical charges on it is called charged body. Okay, the body which possesses electric charges on it is called charged body, and the body which not does not possess any electric charge on it, it is called uncharged body. So what we have to be learned when we have to this is comb and this is tiny particle. Okay, so this is when we have rubbing with our dry hair, the comb we have rubbing with our dry hair, so it will charged, and after it will take nearer to this tiny paper, so tiny paper get attracted towards this comb because comb will be charged at that time. Okay, so this is the experiment when we have to rubbing this material like this, so it will be what charged. So this charged body is also called static electricity, because it will not flow. Okay, so a charged body attracts an uncharged body. There is the charged body and this is what, this is uncharged body. Okay, and next, what is static electricity? The electrical charges on such body cannot flow continuously, therefore it is called static electricity, means cannot flow continuously, that's why we can say static electricity. And what is current electricity? The flow of charges is called current electricity. Okay, we will move next. So you know very well, after this, when we have rubbing this material, so this is the charging by what? Friction. So charging by rubbing, so any material charging by which method? Rubbing method. So the static electricity can be produced by which method? Rubbing method. So we can say charging by friction. Okay, charging by what? Friction. So how many types of charges? So there are two types of charges. The first one is positive, the second one is negative. This is the plus sign and this is the minus sign. Okay, represented as a symbol. Okay, the electrical charges on the glass rod when it is rubbed with a silk cloth is considered positive. Okay, and the electrical charges on ebonite rod when rubbed with fur, wool or null is considered as negative charges. Okay, so it is the how we can consider positive and negative. Here will be the answer of this. Okay, next topic is what? Next topic is transfer of charges. How the charges are transferred? When the electrical charges can be transferred from charged object to another uncharged object. Okay, कोई एक charged object है और another uncharged object है, तो it will be transfer from charged object to another charged object. Okay, through a metal conductor. Metal conductor means this is the metal, and in this metal where a lot of what electron possesses with that charges from one to another. So this is what, this is from metal conductor. Okay, next, what is electroscope? An electroscope is a device. So an electroscope is a device that can be used to check whether object is carrying charge or not. So it is a device to check whether object is carrying a charge or not. If the object is not carrying charge, so it will be called as electroscope. So electroscope is generally a device only. Okay, it is a device, it is an instrument to check whether object is carrying a charge or not. Okay, So you know very well about earthing. Okay, when the low supply comes in our homes, we need to have take earthing. Okay, so the process of transferring charge from charged object to the earth is called earthing. Okay, next topic is charges in the atmosphere or atmospheric electricity. So Franklin experiment. Okay, you so Franklin what considered, we are all familiar with the lightning and thunder during rainy season. What caused lightning and thunder was not known until the beginning of 18th century, but Franklin flew a knight made from silk, like this, made from what? Silk, and into the clouds on thundery day. He ties a metallic key to the silk thread of the kite. Whenever there was a flash of lightning in the cloud, he received an electric shock. He received an electric shock. So there was a flash of lightning in the clouds. So he received what? He received an electric shock, and the key was found to be warmed up. Then key was found in the warmed up. So it will the experiment by Franklin experiment. From this experiment, Benjamin concluded that the cloud, particularly during rainy season, are electrically charged. So cloud in rainy season are electrically what? Electrically charged. Okay. So as the kite reaches the cloud, the charge flow down the wet thread to the metal key, and when he touched the metal key, the electric charge passes through his body to the earth, giving him as electric shock. So it will be the experiment of Franklin experiment. So when the clouds are interact with them two clouds are interact with them, so such rapid flow of charges through the air between the two oppositely charged cloud is called electric discharge or lightning. So it will, this is two clouds are such rapid flow means they interact with themselves and charges through the air between the two oppositely charged cloud. This is the oppositely charged cloud interact with them, then it is called electric discharge or lightning. Understood? So this is positive charged cloud, this is negative charged cloud. So two opposite charged clouds are when the interaction of between both of them, then the electric discharges, when the electric discharges on earth or high rise buildings, all these things, so it will called as a lightning. After this we have to be study about lightning safety and all these things, but after this we have to give you all assignment questions for you all, so this will help you a lot. So first assignment question number 1: what is the process of transferring charged from a charged object to the earth called? First question. And second question: name the device used to protect high rise building against lightning. So two questions for you all, and you can send between 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Okay. So this chapter of class 8th, this is the chapter of class 8th, and this is the first PD of chapter 15, some natural phenomenon. Okay, please stay connected, stay tuned. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.